Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can add an highlight on our Instagram without posting it to our story. So for that, open up Instagram, and after opening up Instagram, just swipe right to add a story. And here after that, click on the settings button on top left corner. Then you will see this option of a story, just tap on it, and in the close friend section, just click on it and add Cristiano Ronaldo or any celebrity of your choice, because they are not going to see your story after all. So just click on done, then click on done again, done. And after doing all the dones, just select the story of your choice that you want to add and just post it on your Instagram. And after that, just click on highlight and it will be added to your highlight without adding to your profile, and no one will be able to see it in your story. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.